What's up, guys? I made it out here to LA. We're at Santa Monica right now. I'm here with, wait, what's your YouTube?
Chris Mauch.
Chris Mauch.
M-A-U-C-H.
Okay, and then at Gunner Brisbane. And we're out here, Santa Monica. There's the pier out there. Can't really see it, it's so small. So we're gonna go down there, we're gonna do some recording, see what's up, check it all out. And yeah, make a sick ass video.
Coyote Cody Vlogs.
That's fine. That's fine with me. Alright guys, we just got done with Santa Monica Pier. We walked around, pretty fun. Stuff was expensive though, so we didn't do anything because we're all broke boys. Isn't that right?
True.
It's true. Alright guys, so we just rode the scooters over here. One of those. We're over here at Venice Beach now. We're gonna go check out Venice, get some video down there, do some stuff. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. Get some video, it'll be pretty cool. And yeah, here's the rest of the video. All right, we're gonna send it. We're running right into the water. Odds are 100%.
Giddy up.
Dude. Oh, that feels so good. Woo. All right, I'm sending again. One more.
The man's going again. Didn't get enough the first time. Oh, he's running. You know what this man's just told me, Cody? What do you have to do?
So I have to go back in the water to get all the sand off my ass. I fell on my butt in the sand. All right, we're out here. Oh God, oh God. Oh, dude, I got salt water under my eyelids. All right, well, Gunner's gonna do it next.
Hell no.
Right, watch a movie. Well, you sit for like an hour.
thank you guys so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. Check out my other videos. I have a couple more coming out too. Been down here in SoCal for a couple days, and I'll be here for a couple more days. So have a few videos coming out. Thank you guys.